Hi friends, today we are reviewing the Acer 5755, the Pacific Blue version. So we've already reviewed the maroon red. It absolutely looks like the earlier 5755. Just have a look at what all comes in the box. We've already done the unboxing before this video. Let's see, this is the power adapter that comes along with it. It's got standard 19 volt 3.42 ampere 65 watt adapter along with this thing. Standard power cable, as you can see. The battery is 4400 mAh, that is 48 watt hours, 6 cell lithium ion battery basically. So let's just have a look at the laptop. So as you can see, the design, the self design that 5755 carries is there all over the Pacific blue color that they mention here. It's sort of a royal blue kind of a color, if you can make out of this video. This entire design, it's got real curvy edges, as you can see. It's got this sort of silver gray kind of a finish to the behind of the base. Let's see, what do we have here? So this has got the same chiclet keyboard and the same grey silver kind of a finish that all the 5755s have got. The Pacific Blue has got this blue finish over here as well as here. So the four variants, red will have a red sort of a line here. This panel will be entirely red. Blue has got this blue, and brown and black will have the respective colors. Everything remains same. As you can see, there's no difference whatsoever in all the 5755 that we've reviewed. It's got this chiclet keyboard, nice little enter button combined with the backslash key. The weight is somewhere around 2.5 kg. The one that we reviewed today is a Core i3 based 2 GB RAM and 500 GB hard drive based machine. The screen, as you can see, is glossy. It's got 15.6 inches LED, and the paneling also is entirely glossy, so there's no difference basically. The hinges sit upright, they are not sitting inside, so looks bigger a laptop when compared to ones those sit inside. Okay, so this is quite a slim one for an Acer that you can buy. This is the charging port, Ethernet port. Heat vent is quite huge, can dissipate good amount of heat. VGA, HDMI, USB 2.0, headphone and mic. It's got a memory card slot. You can got the indicators here. You have a USB 3.0 port, the blue one that you see there, which also combos as a USB 2.0 port. So in total 3 USB ports. Out of them, one is a USB 3.0, the DVD writer and the Kensington lock. Let's see how it looks on the behind. As you can see, this is the battery panel. You can just use a small pin kind of a thing, and you can push this on the right side and you can remove the battery. You can upgrade the RAM and hard drive. Both are placed over here by using a screwdriver. You can just unscrew this one and this one screw, and the entire panel comes out, and the Wi-Fi panel sits here. Neat little design. So this, my friends, is the Acer 5755 Pacific Blue. Thanks a lot for watching.